Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by installing Visual Studio Code and Git, then opening your project folder. This gets you into a workflow quickly. Once done, enable auto-save and set a comfortable font size and color theme so you reduce eye strain. Make sure Git is on your path so the source control panel shows changes immediately. You'll also install the language extension for your primary language. This creates syntax, snippets, and linting support from the first file you open. Now focus on extensions and editor behavior so you work faster. You should install linters and a formatter, then configure Format on Save for consistent code style across the team. Open the integrated terminal and learn split editors so you can compare files or edit tests and implementations simultaneously. Once set, adjust settings, JSON and key bindings to match your shortcuts, and use workspace settings when a repo needs specific rules. This reduces context switch. Finish by running and debugging within VS Code so you close the loop on edits. You'll create a launch configuration, set breakpoints, and step through code while inspecting variables and the call stack. Once verified, use the source control panel to stage, commit, and push changes. The diff editor helps resolve merge conflicts cleanly. If something breaks, disable recent extensions, check the output and developer tools logs, and reset user settings as a last resort to restore a known good setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.